Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to permanently remove activate Windows. Go to settings to activate Windows watermark. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type slmgr space, -rear m. Second method is type control panel in Windows search bar, click control panel. Click ease of access center. Check remove background images when available. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, click regedit. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as Paint Desktop version, change value data to 0. Change value data to 0, close and exit Registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.